These are our discounted items. We have some red rabbit skins, a chinchilla rabbit skin, a headband that was broken, 2 very short tails, horse tails. We have 2 deer legs. We have 2 bags left, leather. 1 plain change purse. 1 skunk bag. Some coyote legs. Some scrap fur. 1 Davy Crockett bag. A Roman shield. A Norman shield. Some burnt parchment paper. A Budweiser pan. A Michigan license plate. 2 broken soapstone pipes. We have some change purse. And we have a lion carved egg. And another lion carved egg. A leather pouch. A belt. An Alaskan birch bark basket. It's on our closeout. A soapstone carving kit. A buffalo tail. A bag of coffee. A turkey foot. A beaver tooth necklace. Some broken war tusk. A cell phone case. A tooth. A gold globe. Some necklaces. A broken owl. Some realistic claws. Some playing cards. And a teepee with a canoe. Some bear bags. A drum. A bug bracelet. Some broken boar tusks. A large arrowhead. A wolf necklace, claw. A piece of snake skin. A fertility pendant. Some beads. More realistic claws. A treat for the dog. Another treat keeper for the dog. A dinosaur hat. Some broken soapstone arrowheads. Some drumsticks. Some birdmen. A broken dream catcher. A broken soapstone necklace. More broken soapstone necklace. Oh, those are just regular. They're not broken. Some buttons. A dinosaur bone. a dinosaur coin, a chain and shell, some rabbit shavings, a leather kit, a pig suede bag, some more buttons, a rabbit zonker, and a gold bottle necklace, some braid, a shark tooth necklace, some wooden pieces, some scrap fur, a real coyote claw necklace, some earrings, a raccoon foot, a small piece of deer tail, an elephant bracelet, a leather bag, shark tooth necklace, 2 row bone necklaces, some more bracelets, some scrap fur, eagle claw necklace, some feathers, some more scrap fur, some more scrap fur, and our last part of scrap fur. Then I have a horse jawbone, a fur collar that's been broken, a beaded bracelet, a broken Peachtree necklace, a broken fancy dream catcher, a regular dream catcher broken, and a fancy dream catcher broken. Some broken abalone shells. I have 2 bags of those, a bag of quail shells, and abalone bleached shells. Now I have buttons. I have 4-inch buttons. I have just a regular shell. I have some broken buttons. I have regular 3.5 buttons, 3-inch buttons, two-inch buttons, 2.5 buttons, 1.5 buttons. I have some broken sand dollars, some beads, some lacing, pieces of lacing. These would have been samples that were sent to us that we are not going to carry. Some barb lacing samples, some plated round samples, some round lace sample, some suede lace sample, some wax coated, some soft suede, different sizes, some more round lace, some chain lace, some wax coated lace, flat lace, braided lace, and some round lace. We have some apple change purses. We have a bear postcard, an eagle postcard, a howling wolf postcard, a lone wolf postcard, a wolf pack postcard, a dyed coyote tail, a paw with claws, and some marten skulls, a coyote keychain, some earrings, a white medicine bag, alligator foot necklaces, some loose arrows, a canoe, a round wooden pipe. It has ink on it. A wolf magnet. 2 stone keychains. A whale shell. A native drum rattle. A gold bottle, a feather, a scrunchie, and a purse. I also have a foot keychain, a 3-row necklace, a log cabins that you put together. They're each missing the flag. A crocodile puzzle, a medicine bag, another leather bag, it's missing the string, a broken smudge pot, a chipped soapstone turtle, I believe it's chipped on its nose, some eagle buckles, a blue fox tail, a snake mouth paperweight, and some powder horn necklaces, and a bunch of beads. These are just samples. We don't have any more. And then we have some Davy Crockett imitation hats. And then I have a Davy Crockett hat with the face. I have another Davy Crockett hat with a face. Oh, this one doesn't have the face. It just is a Davy Crockett hat. And then I have Jupiter pads. And then we have the puzzles. And then I have the special rabbits. We have red. And then we have this pink color. And I have a picture and some bracelets, some earrings, and a necklace, a broken turtle shell, a tooth keeper, has a bottom and a top. And then we have a shell box. We have our sharks. Here's some more pictures of our tooth keeper. Top on and off. And I have a pig and an alligator musical instrument.